We got the Spakon 960 piece multicolor flag sticker kit. This is great for schools, diaries, scrapbooks, planners. They're waterproof and self-adhesive. These are amazing. Let's go ahead and take some of them out. So these are great. These are great. Let's go ahead and get out a couple different versions just so you can see the kind of different countries that are on here. So here's 3 different ones I have. I've got on this one, countries like Angola right here. We've got France right here. And we've got Nigeria here on the bottom. So you got everything in between. Finland, Fiji, Iceland. These things are amazing. And literally, and here's Brazil. I'll take Brazil off. Let's get that off, baby. Get it off, baby. Come on now. All right, there we go. So it's super easy. And look, I'll just go ahead and stick it to the other side. So you can see these are self-adhesive, just like stamps. We also have others like Australia, Germany, Israel, Italy, Liberia, and then we've got Canada, Monaco, Greece, Jamaica, Ivory Coast. These things are great. Very easy to use. Cambodia. You've got all the countries. Now you've got the stickers. Teach your kids the different countries. Use them like stamps. Use them like stickers. Have a great time. Buy these in mass quantities.